Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 6 Chapter 1 Numbers Exercise 1C Question 1. So it is read the following numbers in International System of Numeration and write in words. So we have these numbers, we have to read these numbers and write them in words, but in the International System of Numeration. So till now we have studied Indian system of numbers, that is ones, tens, hundreds, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores and so on. Now we will study what? We will study the international system of numeration, that is ones, tens, hundreds, then you have thousands and then you have 10,000s. So till here it is the same. Then after this you have 100,000, right? And then you have what? Millions, then you have 10 million, right? And then you have 100 million, right? After this also you have billion, 10 billion and so on, right? So let me just complete this as well. Billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. So this is the number system. And where do the periods come? So after every three numbers, right? Sorry, not four. After every three numbers or after every three places you will put the commas, right? But in the Indian system, how was it done? You have seen first three numbers, then the comma, and then after every two places the comma was put. Here it is changed. What happens? First three places, then a comma, then the next three places, and then the period ends, and then the next three places, and so on. So this is the simple way: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000s. M is for millions, TM means 10 millions, and HM is 100 millions, billions for B, then TB is 10 billion and then 100 billion. Now see, we have to read these numbers and again we have to write them. So I told you the process is same. You will begin from ones place or the digit in the extreme right, that is 3. So put it there at ones place. Then to the left of 3 there is 7, then there is 6, and then you have 3 and then 5. So what is this? This is very simple. You have 53. This is the first part, right? So you have 53,600, 53,673, right? That's it for this part. Let's move on to the next part now. Now the next part, you have 430057. So again you begin from 7, then to the left is 5, then there is 0, then again 0, and then 3, and last one is 4. So 6 places in total are filled, and you will see what? That this is going to be what? Let's see. So this is the second part, right? Now see, this will be 400, right? 400,000, right? Because it is at 100,000s place, but this is 400, rather we will say 430,000, because you will see there is 3 at 10,000s place as well. So 430,000s, right? Now see, this thousands is over, there is nothing at thousands place. 10,000 is 330, and then 4 at 100, so 400. Now you have come to this period now, so there is hundreds place, there is nothing here, so we'll leave that. Then there is what? 57. So write it down, 57, and that is your answer. Let's move on to the next part. Let's see, now we have the third part. So this is little big one. Let's see, this is 1, then there is 6, then 7, right? Then you can see 3 is there, so 3, then there's 2, so 2, then 8, and last you can see 8 and then 7. So 8 at millions place, 7 at 10 millions place. And when we are writing down the number in words, we will begin from the left always. So you can see 7 at 10 million, so 70 million, and 8 at millions, so 78 millions. So that this will become 78 million, right? Then come to the next period. This is a thousands period. You have 8 at 100,000s place, then 2 at 10,000 and 3 at thousands. So you will have 800, 820 and 3,000. 823 400,000. That's how we will write this. So this will become 823,000, then 761, because 761, so 761, right? 761, and that is your answer. Let's move on to the next part. 761, right? Now let's move on to the next part. See, next one. So this is 600,003. So you will begin 3 here, and then you have 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have 6. So put 6 over there, right? This is the fourth part as well, right? Now see, this will become what? When you read this, you'll begin from the left place. Here 6 is at 100,000 place, and 10,000 and 1,000 place is empty. So what we will have here, simply 600,000, right? That is how we will read this, because there is no number at the 10,000s place or the 1,000s place. Only 6 is there at 100,000s place. And then here also hundreds and tens place are empty. Only 3 is at ones place. So 600,003. You will add it here, 3. That becomes your name. Let's move on to the next part now. Now see the fifth part. What have we got here in the fifth part? There is 5 at ones place. Then 10,000 and hundreds place, there is 0, 0, right? And then there is 4, 6 and 8. So 4, 6 and 8. Then 9, 6 and 3. So 9, 6 and 3. Then you have 1. Now read this. What will you have? See, 1 is at billions place, so 1 billion. Then 3 at 100 millions place, so 300. Don't write millions for now. We will leave this millions place. We will write the 2 digits here. 6 at 10 millions place and 9 at millions place. So 1,369 what? Millions, right? Then 8 at 100,000s place, 6 at 10,000s place, and 4 at thousands place. So 800, 64,000, right? 864,000, and then you will have here at ones place 5, because hundreds and tens place is empty. So simply you will write it down here 5. That is your answer. And let's move on to the next part now. Then see the sixth part of this question. What is this? So you have again 9, 5 and 4. So put it down, 9, 5 and 4. Then you have 5 and then double 0. So 5 and 2 zeros. Then you have 2, 1, 1. So again 2, 1 and 1. And then you have 0, 8 or 80 as well, you can say that. Now you can read this from the left, and what will you get here? 8 is at 10 billions place, and there is nothing at the billions place. So you will just read this as 80 billions. So this will become 80 billions. Then 8, you can see 112, right? 112. How would you read this individually without these million places? So this will be read as 112. And since this is in the millions periods, you will write billions in the end. You can see 1 at 100 million, 1 at 10 million, and 2 at millions place. So this will be 112 million, right? Then you have 100,000s, 10,000s and thousands. 100,000, 10,000s are empty. There is only 5 at thousands place, 5,000s. Right. Then 459. You can read that, simple one it is. So 459, right? And that becomes the answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.